Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. In this week's video, we are doing a Valentine's Day maintenance, but today we're actually not doing anything technically related to this video. But since I'm getting myself all cute and all prepped and all fresh, I also want to do the same to my car. So we're currently about to go get our car washed, get our car detailed, because my car is a mess and I hate it. I hate having a dirty space. I even clean my room, clean my bathroom and everything, so it's like my space is clean. I'm about to get all cute. I want my car to like match the vibes of me and my space. So let's go clean our car.
Looking around, it's hard to believe where I'm at. Everywhere I look, somebody staring back. Paranoid, even out in paradise. Terrified to see my parents pass. Red carpet and some dress shoes and a pair of slacks. I think I might be getting sick of wearing that. I need some peace and the birds might be where it's at. You know, like where them Karens like to run their errands at. I'm on a journey, man, Jared Jack. Got my twin with me like the parent trap, there and back. Serenade him with the clarinet. I got the tea and I ain't sharing that. Over the first of them all, shorty's been declaring Jack. Fellas hating, I don't blame them. I mean, how unfair is that? The top is where they like to see you get embarrassed at, especially when you charismatic and the cop is wearing masks. All these airplanes and these check bags. All these rumors and these unchecked facts. Old friends, I forget to text back. Maybe this will show you where my head's at. My bad.
Every sky can't be blue. It's hard to see it when you're walking in the gray. So many flights looking out of time through.
Okay guys, I just finished getting ready. This is the outfit for today. We're wearing my little navy blue matching set from Garage, my beige puffer jacket from Zara, and my little Gucci purse. I've worn this outfit a few times now. I'm rushing, so we're gonna go outside and I'll fill you guys in the car. Today is Friday and I'm currently on my way to get my lashes done. My lash appointment is at 11:30 and it's currently 11:06. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm feeling how my hair looks right now. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go get my lashes done. After my lashes, I was debating on if I should go get my toes done. But after my lashes, I was debating on if I should go get my toes done. Both of my big toes literally chipped. So if I went and got my toes done, I'd either have to cut my big toes down super short, which I don't like, or get acrylic big toes. And I'm like, is it even worth it to pay that much to get acrylic big toes in the winter time when nobody's seeing my toes? But right now we're gonna do my lashes, and I'm actually gonna film a little bit of the process. Ever since I started going to like other lash techs, I just haven't been asking if I could film. So this time, this is my third time going to this girl, but I asked her if I could film and she said sure. I'm nervy. I'm not used to like filming in front of strangers, but yeah, I'm excited to get my lashes done though. Just broke. Oh my god. Valentine's Day part 1. I'm literally at work right now. It's 4:18 and I finished at 5. I just finished doing my makeup I need to go back to my desk because I feel like I've been in here for a while. So I'm going to change later. I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, we're on the way. It's 5:36 and I had to move the reservation to 5:45. He still doesn't know where we're going after. Actually, did I even tell you guys where we're going after? You guys might not even know where we're going after. I don't know. I don't remember. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
I love surprises. I love surprising people and I love being surprised. It's just great. It's just so fun to me. But anyways, we're going out to eat. We're going to this place called King Taps. We've both never been there before, so let's hope it's good. There's not really a lot of items on their menu, but we're gonna make it work and hopefully the food's good.
I don't know, but you wanna try. Every time you see do you remember when we fell in love? We were young and innocent then. Do you remember how it all began? It just seemed like heaven, so I did it. And do you remember that you be back in the fall? That you be when we did again the all day long? Do you remember us holding hands? Remember each other's eyes we stare.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be simple for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. In the dirt that they do on my name, turn the soil like I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. These wheels keep rolling, rolling. Outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and it's still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if we throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody.